Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us.
Hello scientists. First of all, we would like to thank you for the opportunity that has been given to us to take part in the ISTEC 2022 International Technology and Engineering Competition. Introducing us, my name is Hugo and I'm the team leader.
And I am Gwen Felicianto as a team member.
We are from Senior High School 1 of Tarakan, North Kalimantan, Indonesia. This time, allow us to introduce a product that we created as an alternative to using detergent to clean states.
The product that we created is natural detergent made from coconut bread that serves to remove and prevent the stains, from resticking to yarn fibers, and also as environmentally friendly and economically beneficial.
Next, I will discuss the background of the product we created. Detergent is a very common material used in society, either by the household, industrial, hospitality, restaurant, and others, as an ingredient to clean stains on clothes and objects made of clothes fibers. Based on the type of detergent, we can find powder detergent and liquid detergent. Along with the era, the number of human population increases, so that humans also produce fabrics in large quantities. Detergents are used as cleanser because pure water can remove oily clothing goods or expose to organic or other inorganic impurities pollution.
As we know, detergents are commonly used in daily life as cleaning clothes or dirty clothes, but they are made of chemicals. Pollution caused by chemicals from detergents are very disruptive that can pollute the environment so that it can harm living things and our health.
Detergent used in Indonesia are also used in large quantities containing deoxybenzene, sulfan, DPS, which is very difficult to decompose biologically.
People with low awareness will continue to contaminate polluted water. It pollutes the aquatic environment and will cause various diseases. For example, E. coli bacteria that can be found in polluted water and can cause diarrhea.
So right here, we are students of SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan making detergent made from natural ingredients that are environmentally friendly from coconut branch called EDC Detergent.
Let's take a look at our research objective. Technique of manufacture EDC detergent as alternative detergent to reduce waste of detergent in the Tarakan Sea. The effectiveness of EDC detergent in the form of sediment water, the coconut branch as alternative detergent to dirty sample. The effectiveness of EDC detergent in the form of sediment water of the coconut branch and mixed with extra lime as alternative detergent to dirty sample.
The effectiveness of EDC detergent in the form of suspension water and mixed with ashes of the coconut branch as alternative detergent to dirty sample. The effectiveness of EDC detergent in the form of sediment ashes of the coconut branch as alternative detergent to dirty sample. The comparison of EDC detergent optimal as detergent alternative to commercial detergent. The economics for the EDC detergent than with the commercial detergent.
Everyone may be asking, what the type of research from the innovation? And here's the answer. The type of research from our innovation are fieldwork research. And here is the chart of experiment and comparison of EDC detergent trial A, B, C, and D.
And here's the table about the research results of the experiment A. Sedimentation ashes of the coconut branch with some sample stain. From the first treatment to some sample stains sequentially are unchanged, and decreased. Second treatment, unchanged, faded. Third treatment, decreased, unchanged, more faded. Fourth treatment, more faded, decreased, clean. Fifth treatment, clean, faded, clean. And here's the graphic about research results of the experiment.
Here's the table about the research results of the experiment B. While the sedimentation ashes the coconut branch plus extract citrus 40 ml with some sample stain. From the first treatment to some sample stain sequentially are unchanged, and decreased. Second treatment, unchanged, faded. Third treatment, decreased, more faded. Fourth treatment, more faded, decreased, clean. Fifth treatment, more faded, clean. And here's the graphic about the research results of the experiment.
The research results of the experiment C. Suspension ashes of coconut branch with some sample stain. From the first treatment to some sample stain sequentially are unchanged, and decreased. Second treatment, unchanged, decreased. Third treatment, decreased, unchanged, faded. Fourth treatment, decreased, more faded. Fifth treatment, more decreased, clean. And here's the graphic of the research results of the experiment.
the experiment B, water sedimentation excess of the coconut branch with some sample stain. From the first treatment, the some sample stains sequentially are faded, decreased, and clean. Second treatment, more faded, decreased, clean. Third treatment, clean, faded, clean. Fourth treatment, clean, faded, clean. And here's the graphic about recent results of the experiment B.
The last one here is the table of the test effective of Control S EDC detergent optimal, the minerals and detergent commercial. Fifth treatment, experiment A, clean, faded, and clean. Fifth treatment, experiment B, more faded, faded, clean. Fifth treatment, experiment C, faded, decreased, clean. Fifth treatment, experiment D, clean, more faded, clean. And here's the graphic about the rest effective of Control S EDC detergent optimal. The conclusion from the most effective after testing with the color visualization EDC detergent is from experiment B. And these are the table of contents, expenses, selling prices, and profits from EDC.
Next, competitive advantage from EDC detergent. EDC detergent is multifunctional, naturally ingredients, environmentally friendly, and low cost. And the last for our presentation are our conclusion. EDC detergent processing technique is environmentally friendly. In processing EDC detergent as a natural detergent, it is relatively easy to do.
From the results of experiment A, it can be concluded that the 5-trial treatment is the most effective after testing with the color visualization method on fabric stains. The EDC detergent products are cheaper than the prices of commercial.
And finally, we are at the last part of this presentation. That's all from us.
Thank you for your attention and more or less, please forgive. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.